Shalom, 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 shalom. This is your brother Yael Ezra Ben Levy, a flag bearer in the city of Atlanta, Georgia. Anyway, I wanted to share with you this beautiful flag and what it represents. This is the flag that as Israelites all over, we should be proud of. We should want to bear. We should want to wave. So let me just explain what's on this flag. One thing that may stand out is two things I know that stand out more than anything. And that is these strange symbols, these strange letters. These 4 letters are the 4 letters that make up the name of the Creator. This is known as the Paleo Hebrew. This is the Yod, the Hey, the Wav, and the Hey. That is, in the English, it'd be the YHWH or YHVH. And this beautiful, beautiful centerpiece. There's nothing as beautiful as the name, but this means a lot to the nation as well. This is the 7 branch or stick candlestick known as the menorah. It represents the eternal flame and light of the Creator for the nation of Israel. This is what was found in the tabernacle, in the temple, within the holy place. They needed this to see their way. And this is what we need to have kindled in our hearts, in our minds, is the light of the Creator, the menorah. These 12 stones. Each one of these stones represented a tribe. Remember, we are the nation of Israel. We are the children of Israel. And each one of these stones represent one of the sons of Israel, which became the nation of Israel. These colors that we see here, these are the colors of the tabernacle. So everything here represents something important. Everything here speaks to us if you are a part of the chosen of Yahweh. If you are bearing witness with who you are, your identity, what is required of you, you will know that you are required to worship Yahweh, the Holy One of Israel. We are to be a light to the nation. We are to be priests unto the nation. We are the ones that Yahweh raised up as servants and witnesses to bear witness that he is one, and besides him there is no other. We are the ones that reflect, that bear witness of the true light, which is Yahweh, and we show the world what true righteousness looks like when we observe the Torah. And I also just wanted to show you this too. That there is also the name of the Creator. That there is what they say, the modern script. So I'm called. That is the Yod. That right there, vowel point, is the vowel point. That is the Shawah. That is the Hey. That is the Kolam. That is the Wav with a Kamas under it. then it's the Hey. And that's where you come up with the rendering of the pronunciation of the name Yahweh. Yahweh. So anyway, I just want to make this quick video to speak on this beautiful flag. Because many people have been asking about it. Many people didn't understand it. And many people ask the question, what do these 4 symbols or letters represent? It represents the name of your Creator. That represents the Holy One of Israel. He is your maker, your king, your savior, your source of all things. He is your redeemer. And besides him, there is no other. Shalom.